Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the brand new naranja orange G10 scales from swissbianco for the 91mm victorinox Swiss Army knives. We selected a way brighter G10 for this run. The first run was a bit more on the pale side. Now this version is really strong, really has a bright orange color. The surface is textured, and on the front we have the Swiss cross. These are standard scales, not the plus version, so the toothpick and the tweezer gonna fit in those. That much about the brand new swissbianco naranja orange G10 scales.